Hi everyone, Peter Cooks here, hot dog chef extraordinaire, fully licensed, bonded, insured, certified. Look, I'm here to share with you some extra fun, cool, tasty, cheap, delicious, and scrumptious tips about how to make your own homemade hot dog sausages today. Alright, let's hop right into it. You're going to need a few specialized pieces of equipment. First off, that's going to be a meat grinder. Mine, I keep here in the freezer so it's nice and cool. I'm not actually sure if this meat grinder is made by Fisher-Price or something. Maybe I should be putting Play-Doh through this instead. There's a blade in here, and there's these two little things with different sized holes. First, we're going to put the one with big holes on there. At least I think we are. If this is for kids, it shouldn't be so difficult. The cool thing about this green circle is it's special. It's actually lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. You want to put this down on the counter and turn it to lock it down in place. That way it can't go anywhere when you jostle it and crank away on it and stuff. Alright, if we look at the instruction manual here to make sure we're doing everything right and being safe, we can see that this tool, or this part of it right here, is called a long hand rocker. We've got the fine knife, a crude knife. I think we've got the crude knife on there right now. And over here under caution, a few things. It says right here, when filling sausages, please choose a different casings of different diameters enema tube. Okay. When the handle non-agitated, her fingers in the container. Alright, 10-4. Very helpful. By different sized enema tubes, what I meant was these hog casings, which is what you need in order to make sausages. What you need to do is open these up and let some amount of them soak in warm water for a little while to get them ready. Don't those just look good and delicious in there? Don't you just want to put that in ya? You just kind of want to pull some of these out of here, and then we're going to put them in the warm water so that they can kind of be separating, and they're very salty feeling. I think that's enough. I think we're going to need more than that. I'm going to put more than that in there. These are maybe the weirdest feeling things I've ever felt. I don't think we'll need this many, but it's better to have too much than too little. I think that'll be enough. 3 lengths. I don't know why I thought this whole case would be one long intestine. That's kind of unrealistic, I guess. Next, it's very important to choose only the very best ingredients for your hot dog sausages. I like to choose all my ingredients in very good proportions, all very well picked together by professionals. Okay, so I picked them already in sausage form. Okay, that way I know it's gonna taste good. All right, so we're gonna make sausages out of these. First, what you want to do is run it through the big holes, and then later we'll run it through the little holes, and it'll go through this and into the sausage skin. All right, let's go. I'm gonna unpop this. Look at that. Fresh, good pile of fresh, juicy hot dog sausage meat. Oop. A little bit fell out there. I'm gonna take a little taste of that. Alright, then what you want to do is come back over here to where you've got your little sausage bits, and you're going to want to run some water through the casings to open them up and see if there's any holes in them. This will ensure that there's no blockages, and they're just generally good to go for the good meat stuff you're going to put inside of them. Right through my rigorous water testing and rinsing, etc., I realized that I had two pretty solid casings and one with a little hole in the side, which I would use as a backup if I really needed some more lengthage. Right, the next thing to do was to put the different blade on. We use the smaller blade here to chop the stuff up a second time, and we'll also put on this little nozzle so that the meat can go into the sausage skins. Gonna lock it down. The first thing you want to do is load the casing onto the nozzle so that it can gradually kind of be fed off of there and filled up with meat. So you want to be gentle, easy, don't want to rip anything, even though this stuff is stronger than it looks like it should be. Still want to go easy with it. Like you're preloading a long sock you're putting on before you pull it all the rest of the way up your leg. You ever do that? Just down on your foot before you yank it the rest of the way up your leg? I used to do that with tube socks all the time. I love tube socks because I couldn't put them on wrong. You know, it's just one more thing you can do to simplify. Alright, you're going to want to leave about 6 inches or so hanging off the end. Get your meat. Right, then you're going to take the meat and put it in here, of course. No surprise there. Load it up. And then you can start turning it and kind of help it out as it fills up. We'll push it down in there a little bit more to give it some encouragement. Ideally, I'd have a third hand. There is this little tool right here to help you kind of push stuff down in here, which I maybe should be using. Tamp it a little bit. Give it a few good little tamps. The first thing that's going to come out of here is air, which is why you don't want to tie the end off. Is it working? Am I turning this the right direction? Nothing's happening. Why isn't meat coming out the other end? Is it plugged? Is there a kink in the tube somewhere? Maybe I'm not supposed to put a blade in there for the second time around. It's tried to go in there. Check that out. see what happens. Oh, I feel like it's already working. Oh yeah. Look at it go. A little bit. All right, I think that's about it. I don't really know if that was 6 sausages worth, but you want to tie it off like so. So there's a hot dog sausage we made. I don't really know if this is 8 sausages worth. There might have been some lost in the middle somewhere. I'm not sure where. Maybe just gunked up inside the meat grinder, you know. But this should make a delicious hot dog, sausage, sandwich, bun, burger. We'll see. So next what we need to do is we need to hang it up to dry for a couple hours. That's what we're going to do now. Alright, so I waited a couple hours and really nothing changed. I'm not sure what else I'm supposed to do. Maybe wait days, months, years, put them in a smokehouse. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and eat them, cook them, and eat them because I'm hungry. And I think they're going to be delicious. So let's do that. Not sure. Can I go ahead and cut them apart now? Or do I cook them like this? A little snippety doodah. Our Tres Amigos. Turn this up to about 4-ish. Got my plate. Got my buns. Got the 3 buns ready. Look at this, they're curling up. They're curling with the natural curlage of the intestines. Having a bit of a herniation here. This means they're cooking though. Getting really nice and snug. This is a bit of a disaster right here, but I think as we continue to cook it, it'll be okay, hopefully. Maybe I didn't twist it enough. I'm not sure what I did wrong. Actually, this is a complete disaster right here. It's all coming out of the hot dog sausage wrapper. It's all completely... Guys, what is going on here? Am I cooking them too hard? Did I wrap them wrong? Did I insert the meat in them wrong? Am I cooking them unevenly? I'm afraid to... I don't know. I don't know what to do. Look at this. I'm supposed to be the hot dog chef extraordinaire. It's okay. Look, this is still a solid sausage right here. I just might not need as many buns as I thought I did in the end. Maybe I should have tied it all off. Maybe I should have tied each one off individually instead of just leaving it twisted like that. I mean, these look good, the part where they're still intact. They look really good. It smells good. It looks really weird. Look at these little things. What happened? Why did it all squish out of itself? 8 hot dogs turned into these 3 little things. I mean, this is how you do it, folks. You want to turn 8 hot dogs into these 3 little things. That's ideal. That's how it works. It snugs down. I mean, sure, there's a little waste involved. I'm probably still going to... I'll just pile these on top there. I mean, oh yeah. That's really good. Do you guys think these are done? What do you guys think? They smell good. They smell done. I mean, it wasn't raw meat to start out with, so they could be done whenever, really. They seem pretty done to me. We're gonna take these out. Just gonna put them right in there. Like so. So there's your hot dog sausages, and you're gonna take this stuff. It's pretty much just like fried ground hot dog. Kind of want to pile it up on top there. Oh yeah, this is how it should be. And then we just need our condiment. Sometimes you can go all the way, really fix it up with the ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, chopped onions, chopped this, chopped that, a little bit of relish, a little bit of slaw, a little bit of chili, depends what you're feeling. Sometimes though, you just want to go with the Grey Poupon, right? Right, and there you go, friends. A culinary delicacy, to be sure. Fast, quick, easy, cheap, healthy, wonderful, something to share with your friends. No, but don't have to be afraid to bring it home to mom. Let's take a bite and see how it is. Mmm. It's really good. I don't think I cooked it long enough because the pork casing is really chewy. Like chewing gum chewy. Impossible. The flavor though is good. They're trapped inside the pork casing and you can't get it out of there. Well, I mean, learning something for next time. Now, whoever had the idea for balloon animals, I know where they got it from. Doo-doo.